This video is about how to download an asset from the Unity Asset Store. And today I'm going to download a laptop computer. I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to click on the button that says Add to my assets. I'm going to click on Accept. And now I'm going to go back to my particular Unity. Okay, so now my Unity project is open. I'm going to go up to the menu at the top. I'm going to go to Window. I'm going to click on Package Manager. And I had already previously downloaded the asset, so that's why it says re-download. And I'm going to first download Rusty Flashlight. So you click on Download, and once you click on Download, an Import button will appear. Click on the Import button. And with the Rusty Flashlight, I want to download everything in here. So I'm going to click on Import. There. So now I'm going to close out the Package Manager window. And now, as you can see, this is the Rusty Flashlight folder that got downloaded. And I'm going to, first thing I want to do, I want to click on Materials. So I want to make sure that everything got downloaded correctly. And as you can tell, the material on the left, it downloaded correctly, but the material on the right looks like Pepto-Bismol. So on the left, I'm going to click on that. And it says the shader is called Standard. I'm going to click on the one that looks like Pepto-Bismol. And look, under shader, it says Hidden Internal Error Shader. So I'm going to just download that. I'm going to click on the down arrow. I'm going to click on Standard. And voila, it fixed the material. Now I'm going to go to Rusty Flashlight. And I want to look at the demo scene. Look at that one. That one says Demo Night. That looks very interesting. So I'm going to go ahead and double click on that. I'm going to click on Save. So it will save my scene. And I'm going to go to the demo scene. And I'm going to go to the Game tab. And then I'm going to click on Play, because I want to see what this asset looks like. And it says here, click on the X. So I'm going to click on the X, and the flashlight comes on. If I click on the X again, the flashlight turns off. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the game. I'm going to go to the scene. I'm going to click on the flashlight. And on the bottom right hand corner, I see that the flashlight comes with a free script, which I love. So Visual Studio is coming open. And it has a script for the flashlight, which is really, really cool. And the thing about it is it has game object like go. So that means I can put any game object in there. It doesn't have to be just a flashlight. As long as I have a light attached to the particular game object, it could be a lighthouse or anything that you, or a light switch that will turn a lamp on and off. Let me minimize that. So I love free scripts that already have the code in there. It always helps. I can use it for other things. Now, I'm going to go ahead and go back to my main scene. I'm going to put the flashlight in there. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to the Rusty Flashlight folder, and we already looked at the demos and we already looked at the materials. Now we're going to go to the prefab folder. The prefab folder will have everything already done for you, and all you have to do is drag it into your scene and it should work perfectly. So I'm going to go ahead and drag the flashlight onto the floor. I'm going to rotate it down here. And look, the flash, look at that. The light is already on. That's excellent. That's really cool. And oh, there goes my prisoner right there. I like this prisoner. He's really cool. Look at that. He has all the tattoos and stuff on his neck. He looks really real. Well, anyway, if anybody has anything you want me to do, just put it down in the comments. Please like and subscribe, and everyone have a great day.